good morning. Go ahead and start on the warm-up for today. Alright, for unit 3, our learning target is I can calculate the different loan lengths and monthly payments based on the information given. So I'm gonna model the warm-up as well as go into the college project. So the first question, and we'll be finishing out the college project today. Alright, so first question. It says Lavonda took out a $7,500 loan with an APR of 3.875% and agreed to pay it back monthly over 6 years. So the first thing I'm gonna do is underline my variables. I got $7,500 loan. I got an APR of 3.85%, and I got 6 years that I'm paying it back. So that's the first step. Now, I'm gonna take a look at the question. I'm gonna read the question. How many monthly payments did she make? So I know I got years, but I gotta turn years into months just to find out how many monthly payments. So I'm gonna take 6 years, 6 times 12. Reason why 12, because there's 12 months in a year. What's 6 times 12?
60.
6 times 12.
I mean, wait, no.
72.
Yeah.
72, right? 72 months. So I'm gonna be making 72 monthly payments on this loan. That's my first step. That's my first step of answering the question. Always remember, just answer the question, whatever the question is asking. Next is saying, what is her monthly payment? So I know if you're asking me a monthly payment, I'm gonna need to find out how much I'm paying per month for this loan.
6 years.
Okay, so I got 6 years, but I got 72 months. So the loan is $7,500. So in order to find out my monthly payment, I'll go to Desmos. And I'm gonna calculate the monthly payment. Okay, so I'll pull up Desmos. So we got $7,200, I'm gonna input 7,200. It's the price. The rate I had was, what was that percent? What was the percent on the rate?
0.03875.
Okay, so I'm gonna move it over to be 0.03. 0.03875. My time is 6 years, so I'll put in 6 years here.
You put 72, it's 75.
Wait a minute. It's 7,500. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. Alright. So, $7,200, 0.03875 for the rate. And my 6 months, I'm gonna have a monthly payment of, well, she'll have a monthly payment of $116.91. That's the second question. The last question, how much did Lavonda pay in total at the end of the loan? Okay. Let's find out. So now, I got my monthly payment of $116.91, I got 72 months. So I'm gonna take the monthly payment, which is $116.91, and I'm gonna multiply it times the months that I have to pay it, which is 72. So I'll go to my calculator. Back to my decimals, and I just plug that in real quick. 116.91 times 72, $8,417.52. That's how much you'll be paying for the total amount of the bond. That's with interest included. So $8,417.52. That's the answer for that one. Okay? All right. So we're gonna move on to the college project, and after the college project, toward the end of class, we'll have a small assessment that we'll be doing individually. So everybody go ahead and get out your college project.
What do we go to with that research again?
I'm about to show you. Everybody got your college project out? Jose, where's your college project? College project. Alright, so I'm gonna go to, we're probably here, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna look at the cost chart comparison, in-state, out-of-state. Alright, so this is, I'm going to my college, because I'm gonna model exactly what you're supposed to be doing. So I'm gonna go to College Simply. So I'm gonna go to www.collegesimply.com. Alright, so here we are. collegesimply.com. Next, I'm gonna go to my school, which I chose, Savannah State University. Savannah State University. So now I'm here. So now I'm here. And on the project, it asks for in and out-of-state fees. Everything on here on the left, these different tabs have all the information in here. So since we're talking about costs, I'm gonna go to the cost tab, because I wanna know how much in-state and out-of-state fees are. I'm gonna go over here to the left, and I'm gonna hit costs. Now, here we go. In-state, out-of-state fees. These are the in-state, out-of-state fees and costs. So first it asks, how much does it cost for tuition? My tuition costs are here. That's in-state, that's out-of-state. See a big difference? In-state is only $4,064. Out-of-state is $14,000. So that's like 9,000. Other fees, you put that in there, in-state, out-of-state, books and supplies, room and board, other budget expenses. Okay? And once you finish that, you're gonna add it up to give you the total cost for 1 year. Add those fees up and they'll tell you for 1 year. But it already told you, because it's 17,000 for me, in-state, 17,435 for me to go there. Out-of-state, 28,155. So that's what you'll be putting there. Average cost per student, average financial aid per student, say up in here. But that would be the same cost, 17,000 for me, 17,435. When you go to the projected 4-year degree sticker price, you're gonna multiply 1 year times 4 to get the projected 4-year sticker price. So say if my college, I'm paying 17,435, I'm gonna take that 17,435 and multiply it times 4. And that will give me my projected 4-year sticker price. Sticker price is how much is it really gonna cost for that 1 year. When you get here, 17,435, okay? So my cost for 1 year is 17,435, and I'll just put it here. 17,435 for me, okay? Four years, those are still the same thing as far as the net price. 4 years, I'm gonna take 17,435, multiply it times 4. So when you get here, student loan calculations, the first one says total year to attend school. But as you can see, in parentheses, it says the total cost from the chart above. So the total cost from the chart above will be here, that sticker price. You just put it here. When you get here, the number of years needed to graduate, I'm doing 4. So I'm putting 4 here.
Okay, which one y'all?
With the cost comparison chart. The cost comparison chart. So it should be right after admission statistics and diversity. You see it? Now, when you get over here, the total cost to graduate, as you can see in parentheses, it says 1 year cost times the number of years to graduate. And there's an example right here. This is the example. So if it's $20,000, which mine is 17,435, plus the number of years to graduate, that's my total cost right here.
But which one, y'all, like which one of the things on college simply,
Hmm?
like which one of the things on college simply, y'all on?
I'm doing an example, so I'm on my college. You're gonna
No.
research your own
Oh,
college.
yeah, I'm saying like diversity or something like that, which one?
Cost.
Oh,
We're
cost.
talking about cost. Loan payback. In parentheses, as you can see, it's the principal minus the total cost to graduate. So it tells you, from the previous chart above, use the principal. Everything is telling you exactly what to do. There's an interest rate. You're gonna use 6.53%.
I got the same page twice.
It's 2 colleges, you're only doing one.
Oh, so.
Okay. You're only doing 1 college. So, 10 years is 120 months. Then you're gonna use your monthly payment formula to figure out the cost of paying this loan back in 10 years. Okay?
I'm almost done.
And we got interest costs, okay? So now, since I showed you, let's work on it together. We're working together. So you can collaborate with your peers, you can collaborate with somebody next to you, okay?
That's way.
Ma'am. You sure you believe it? Sure. Alright, so go ahead and group up.
You missed.
Huh?
You missed.
No, it's right there.
Oh.
Alright, so go ahead and group up. Get your group member.
Right here?
Jose, you and Matthew working together? Alright. Let's go ahead and get started working together. I'm gonna come around, ask me some questions if you need to. Yes? I'll give you about 10 minutes to go ahead and work on it. Huh? Help the person next to you, your peers, help the person next to you. Here you go. Go ahead and fill it out. I'm sorry?
Religion affiliation. So search up on Google, like, what college is that you? Search up, does
Come here.
Washington State have, specific, like, are they religious?
So it's enough for 2 people to work together.
Thank you.
What you think about?
I don't know, I won't.
Can we don't get on the camera?
Mariana, you wanna work with, Nehemiah?
Huh? We all can work together.
Y'all can work together. Y'all go ahead and
We're
work
right back,
together.
Jose.
Are you good?
Huh?
Good, good.
What's wrong?
I'm on my last, she told me to do this again.
Make sure there's a scholarship portion as well. So make sure you do the scholarships to receive full credit.
Let me see.
So I'll just walk around while y'all work with your group.
You trying to figure out this one? I ain't use that.
I forgot, these are good.
I think, no, that's what I was trying to figure out. Mr. Think